Hey, how you doing?
All right.
Well, let's see. We've got some little hidden drawers down here. Look at this. But the leg's in the way on this one, so we'll just show you this one. Little trays there.
That's
hey,
a dog bowl.
Yeah, wouldn't it be cool? That'd be a perfect cat and dog bowl.
That's what it's for.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
And that's for not for a bed, but
this
those
is,
legs fold up.
They do fold up because that's the only way you can get the drawer. But I don't know. I'm not going to mess with the bed. You can see it there. There's a bed frame.
They actually fold out, but I guess those.
They have to fold out, or that drawer wouldn't open.
Well, you must be able to access it when it's actually in position. Because
see, it lifts up. See?
And it's a cute little.
Okay. So anyway, this table goes on this, so you can attach it, and you can sit here, and this becomes your dining room area. But up here you have the large monitors. You have the backup camera, video screen, kind of like a car. You have your normal air conditioning systems, your warning lights, etc., your traction. You do have controls to your phone and everything right there on the dash. As you can see, a RAM there on the front. You've got some storage space up here, along with the curtains. Now the curtains get hung up, and you can stick some stuff up in this area. You got some really pretty cabinets. These are cabinets here. Very nice looking. I like the way they look. You can see here they got the extra cushions up here. Very compact, really good for, I don't know that I would want to live in it, but it would really be nice for weekend journeys, couple day journeys. Over here you have your control.
And here we have a refrigerator.
Yes, there's our refrigerator. Here you've got your pull out extra space.
Wow, look at that.
So you can extend your cabinet. You have your stove, your little sink. You have some more cabinet space right here. You have a small microwave over here.
Yeah, I don't think that's a convection, but it might be.
No, I believe it's just a regular microwave. Okay, down here you have some outlets. You can put your cookbooks and stuff in there. You have 4 nice drawers. They're short. As you can see, they're not really that big. I think there's a lock on some of them, but they've got 4 drawers here. Now over on this side, you also have some more storage, some more small shelves, along with a couple more drawers over here. Now, if you're familiar with the term wet shower, this...
Go on the outside and get.
Okay, okay. Okay. This is what they call a wet shower. You actually take your shower, your toilet, and everything's all together. This comes down and this becomes your sink. Over here's your thing for your shower. You have a medicine cabinet right here. Obviously your toilet, and you have cabinets here, so you have to be really careful to use your shower curtain so this doesn't get wet. Your toilet paper holder is inside the cabinet, but that is actually your wardrobe inside your wet bathroom. Okay, well, we hope you enjoy this video.
And always remember to open the doors to adventure.
And start all your journeys with
the Rvkeys. Have a great day.